Categorizing credit card payments in YNAB helps you manage your finances accurately and maintain a clear picture of your spending. Here's how to do it. Add your credit card account. First, add your credit card account to YNAB. Go to the account section and click Add Account. Choose credit card and follow the prompts to set it up. Record transactions. Enter all your credit card transactions in YNAB. When you make a purchase, assign it to the appropriate budget category. This ensures each transaction is categorized correctly. Budget for credit card payments. In your budget, allocate funds to the credit card payments category. This category helps you plan how much you will pay towards your credit card bill each month. Categorize a payment. When you make a payment towards your credit card balance, enter the payment in your credit card account in YNAB. Categorize this payment as a transfer from your checking account to your credit card account. YNAB will automatically reduce the balance of your credit card payments category by the payment amount. Reconcile accounts. Regularly reconcile your credit card accounts to ensure YNAB's balance matches your credit card statement. This helps you catch any discrepancies and keep your budget accurate. Track credit card spending. Monitor your credit card spending within YNAB. Ensure you have enough funds in your credit card payments category to cover your monthly payments and avoid carrying a balance that accrues interest.